Hello, everyone, and welcome to my evaluation for Group Number Three's campaign that's focusing on enhancing exposure and participation in the alternative learning system, or ALS, among out of school youth within adults in Davao. So, I'm still using the same 10-point evaluation framework, so I'll be walking you through the campaign strategic strengths, areas for improvement, and my total score for them. So, let's begin. So we'll start with the clarity and relevance of the issue. So the campaign apparently demonstrates excellent clarity in defining the issue. It identifies ALS accessibility as a persistent equity gap in the Philippine educational system by citing both the national and local data coming from Davao and aligning it with the current SDG number 4. So the issue becomes locally urgent and globally relevant. So my score for them would be a perfect 10 out of 10. The next would be their communication strategy. So they uses real world channels like Facebook and community bulletin boards, which suits their audience well. So the messaging is very clear here, even the grassroots in nature. However, for me, it lacks more interactive feedback tools, slightly limits like the two-way communication. So for me, this would be a 9 over 10. Next, we have the audience segmentation and analysis. They use it very effectively. So they identified multiple audience layers, including learners, policymakers, the implementers, and they also use the real data to guide their messaging. So the approach here is very personalized and targeted. It's very full, so my score for them would be a 10 over 10. Then next we have the four P's or the social marketing mix. So each of the P in their marketing mix is very customized per audience depending on the barriers to the languages to the outreach settings. So for them, the product here for an ASL is an opportunity for students and adults to get in education. The price would be the stigma of time and conflict. The place there would be outreach for barangays and the community events. And then lastly, for promotion, they've utilized local languages like Tagalog, Bisaya, and even English. So the team apparently ensures that cultural and geographic alignment makes their campaign very highly accessible. So for me, that's 10 over 10. Next, we have the social mobilization approach, which includes a wide range of institution and influencers. So while it's very commendable, more detailed on specific activation for me, like events or peer-driven activities would make it stronger. So for me, this would be a 9 over 10. Next, we have implementation and management. So this campaign apparently presents a well-structured plan grounded in Kotler's model, but for me, it lacks visual management tools would make execution easier to grasp. So my score here would be a 9 over 10. Next would be the monitoring and evaluation. So this framework is academically solid and multi-stage. So it provides a roadmap for accessing behavior change over time. Apparently, the dashboard or mobile tracking system they've used would somehow be more modernized. Or for me, that would be a 9 over 10. Next, we have the ethical consideration. So clearly respects vulnerable populations and uses cultural approach language. However, an explicit ethic section here would mean more like maybe the data privacy or informed consent would be better. So for me, it would be a 9 over 10. Next, we have the impact sustainability and the scalability. So the campaign apparently is rooted in the DepEd's long-term policies. And this paper reflects a scalable model that can be adapted across the LGUs or local government units. Further exploration of sociability and mechanisms would make it more robust, but for me, that would be a 9 over 10. Lastly, the integrated synthesis. So overall, the campaign design is very cohesive and well aligned. So it integrates research strategy and the cultural context effectively. So a simple logic model would enhance clarity and the strategic flow. So that would, for me, is a 9 over 10. So for my final evaluation of ALS mobilization campaign based on our 10-point framework. So again, each of the criterion here has been assessed based on the campaign's clarity, strategy, audience focused, and execution. So the table apparently summarizes their performance across all dimensions from issue relevance to scalability. So as you can see, the campaign scores perfect marks in clarity, segmentation, and marketing strategy. It also demonstrates strong alignment with institutional framework like the DepEd and their SDG number 4. While there's still a lot of room for improvement, like for ethical documentation, real-time evaluation tools, and community activation, we might need more details on that. And even the foundation is very clear all throughout. So for me, the final score for the group would be 93 out of 100, reflecting a deeply localized, research-based, and scalable approach to social marketing that would be an inclusive education for all. So it apparently stands a strong example of how community-rooted design can support long-term development goals. So there, thank you so much. And congratulations to Group ALS para sa lahat. Thank you so much.